Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to WatchWire News. Today, we're talking about a watch strap that's got all the makings of a great workout buddy. But does it live up to the hype? It's the Apple Nike Sport Loop, and I'm here to give you the lowdown. So first off, let's talk about what makes this band so special. For starters, it's made from a nylon material that's both breathable and sweat-resistant. That means you can wear it during your toughest workouts without worrying about getting uncomfortable or sweaty. Plus, the double-layer weave construction provides a cushioned layer on the skin side, which is a big bonus. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't nylon a bit harsh? And yeah, I get that. The material can feel a little fuzzy and noticeable at times, especially if you're not used to it. But for me, personally, it's been a trade-off worth making the benefits far outweigh the minor drawbacks. Another feature of the Apple Nike Sport Loop is its ultra-quick fastening system. I mean, we're talking velcro strips here that make attachment and detachment a breeze. It's like having your own personal watch genie. And with its one-size-fits-all design, you can just slip it on without worrying about getting a snug fit. Of course, the Nike Sport Loop isn't perfect. If you're looking for something more premium-looking, this might not be the strap for you. I mean, let's face it, it's got that signature yarn material vibe going on, which is more playful than high-end. And if you're on a super tight budget, there are plenty of cheaper alternatives out there. But here's the thing. When you factor in the price point of $49/49, this band starts to feel like a steal. It's durable, it's functional, and it's got all the features you need for a great workout experience. And at the end of the day, that's what matters most. So, is the Apple Nike Sport Loop worth considering? Absolutely. It might not be the prettiest band on the block, but it's certainly one of the most practical. If you're looking for a reliable workout strap that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching WatchWire News.